sulfur flame in the eye of night. I am the fuel for your fire. Light calls ever unto light. Make me a fleshen pyre. Touch my lips with the altering coal. Leave your shining upon my soul. Zion shall ever be my goal. Zion, the telling of light. Scanning the silence with inward ears, life is a listening. Enfolded in echoes of timeless years, the word comes whistling. Build my being from your throat, meld my meaning with every note. Wrap me round with an aural cloak, that I may truly hear. Drawn toward destiny's darkling kite, riven by reality. Riding the passion to terrible height, life upon death's tree. Cause me to drink from the chalice of fire. Forge me anew in the heat of desire. Let me inhabit the holy empire and make war on the armies of night.